Hello, my name is Stefan. Welcome to Coffee Break Linux, Lesson 11, Lesson 4 for Voyager. On today's lesson, we will explore USB flash drives. In other words, connecting to a removable drive, or a USB drive, a USB hard drive, a flash drive, and so on. So basically in my hands I have a USB flash drive where I can transfer some information. Now the thing to remember with the Linux operating system is that like in most evolved operating system, you need to mount your drive and then you can access the drive and do whatever you need to do it. Mounting is done automatically. Unmounting is done when you are done with the drive and you want to take it out of the USB socket. In order to do that, you have to unmount the drive first, so to make sure that the removing the drive will not affect the content of the drive, and we'll make sure that all transfers are done before you actually remove it. So how does it do? How does it work? So I'll just open here the user folder, and as you can see on the left, we have already some quick access to folders, basically the trash folder, the desktop folder, the main folder of the user, even network browsing, and some file system and other types of drives that are already connected to the computer. Now I will connect my USB flash drive, and it's the same process with a USB external drive, which are bigger in capacity. So two things occurred. One was that the 8.1 gig volume appeared, and that's the auto mounting of the drive, and then a window opened, actually this one here, and it showed you the content of that drive. So that's fun to do. So if I want to start transferring things, I can actually do it right away. Let me resize the windows first. And let's say I want to transfer a picture. This is a picture of Mr. Spock. So I will simply slide the picture onto my drive window. As you can notice here, there's a plus beside the picture. That means this file will be copied onto the drive. If there'd be no plus, which you can get rid of by pushing the Shift key on your keyboard, when you drag this picture onto the other folder, the other window, that means it'll be moving the picture onto my USB drive. So let's just, for beginning, let's just move it there. So I'm pressing the Shift key and I'm letting go the left button of my mouse. The dragging is done and the picture has been moved. That means I don't have the picture back in its original folder anymore. It's actually transferred into the USB drive. If I want to copy from USB drive to the picture folder, for instance, here, I'll simply drag it here without pushing the Shift key. It will copy it. That means I'll have two pictures identical to each other. Now my drive, USB flash drive, is I've done my transfers, and if I want to quit that drive, I'll just have to press this exit arrow here. That will unmount the flash drive. As you can see, it's unmounted. It disappears from the list on the left. So at this point, I can take my USB flash drive out of the computer USB socket, and I'm done. It's relatively easy, of course, but the things to underline here is the mounting and unmounting of a drive. whether it's a flash drive, external drive, or any types of drive. Even on a network, you can have a network access drive like this one here. This is a local server, for instance, and we have access to another computer's folders. I could unmount by pressing that key, and that would take me, sever the link between my computer and this network folder computer. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. We have learned how to mount and unmount transfer files from USB drives, USB flash drives, external drive, to and from the computer. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.